Hugerock X7 Rugged Tablet Review, Sunlight-Proof Beast, or Overhyped Gadget. You know that drained, stuck vibe, where your gear quits on you at the worst time. Screens fading in the sun, tablets freezing mid-task, apps lagging like molasses. You're left frustrated, staring at wasted minutes that feel like hours. Motivation? Gone. Focus? Shattered. It's like fighting a losing battle against tools that should help, but just block your momentum instead. Stress piles fast when projects slip through your fingers. Crushing pressure hits hard when tasks stack higher than you can manage. Fatigue creeps in, turning energy into burnout fuel. Missing key chances or failing field missions because your device wasn't up to the task. That stings worse than deadlines. It's pure sabotage, and it makes success feel maddeningly out of reach. That's why the Hugerock X7 Rugged Tablet PC is flipping the script. Picture this. You're out in desert heat, sun blazing, yet its insane 2600 nit sunlight-readable display stays crystal clear. Built tough with MILSDD 810G certification, it shrugs off drops, dust, rain, and even shocks up to 2 tons. With 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB storage, Android 13, and a massive 7,000 to 8,000 mAh battery, it powers through nonstop action. One drone pilot told us his X7 saved the day when his iPad screen blacked out mid-flight. But the X7 kept him locked in, guiding his drones safely home. Add dual SIM 4G LTE, glove-friendly wet touch, and industrial ports like HDMI and RS232, and you've got a field-ready powerhouse. Relief? Immediate. Focus? Back. Productivity? Supercharged. The real magic is in what this beast unlocks. Streamlined workflows, razor focus, and downright next-level performance. Construction crews rave, calling it unbreakable, mud-proof, rain-proof, and sunlight-proof. Emergency service teams report flawless glove-friendly touch in snow and storms. Logistics managers love the RS232 integration, literally saving thousands on legacy equipment. Tech analysts say the 2600 nit screen sets a new benchmark in outdoor visibility, while influencers compare it to a battle tank that outshines any iPad in the sun. And customers? They're hooked. It's bright as F in full daylight, laughs one rider, using offline maps on a desert trek. Another drone pilot calls it the brightest, most reliable tablet, period. It's rugged, professional, yet sleek enough to feel premium. And here's the kicker. People aren't just buying one. They're replacing their whole fleet. Why? Because once you taste that mix of durability plus ultra performance, there's no going back. So, curious if it'll change your game too? This isn't just hype. It's your chance to level up. Limited stock is moving fast. Don't wait until it's gone and you're stuck with gear that fails you again. Act now. Secure your Hugerock X7 Rugged Tablet and join thousands already thriving outdoors, in the field, and under the sun. Reliability isn't optional, it's survival. Seize this moment, claim your edge, and never settle for tools that hold you back. The time to win is right now.